So Nick, I have some bad news, bro.
What's the bad news?
The Midtown pool is now officially closed, bro.
Are you sure?
Yeah, bro.
Oh my god, I was gonna go tomorrow.
Yep. We got an email today saying that it's closed. So
No!
yeah, so Nick, I can no longer ask you, where are we going, bro?
The Midtown pool.
But it's closed, bro.
No, it's a lie.
Oh no, never lie.
Bro, Lightning
You
won.
good, bro? You good, bro?
Stanley Cup Final champions, baby. Woo!
Wow, his team actually can win something, unlike my teams that I cheer for. UK football, well, UK basketball is actually doing well. Lakers, they're doing well, but the Bengals, they're doing poorly. Reds, though, they finally made it to the playoffs this year. Let's go! Woo! So I'm FaceTiming my best friend Clay the Goat Air, and guess what he's doing? Look, tell him what you're doing, bro.
We got the Kanye tweet wall.
Oh my. I can't believe you're doing that, bro. Why?
That one's my favorite. Wait, yeah.
Kim doesn't understand what a blessing I am. To her. Wow, bro. Good job. You know what? I'm tired of people calling me Woody. I do not look like Woody at all. No way.
You're gonna be Woody for Halloween.
Yeah, I guess I'm going to have to be Woody for Halloween, but I do not look like him. It's making me so mad. So I haven't been vlogging too much this week. I've had so much on my plate. I have 2 tests still to do this week, and then also finish up this news package that I'm doing. But Nick,
Yeah.
what did he buy, bro?
So today I got the Perked 2-in-1.
Oh, bro, that's my shampoo that you're rocking.
Smelling Austin shampoo.
That is a meme. I'll play it right now for you. Smelling Austin's shampoo. But I did that as a joke, you know. So now it's like an inside joke, and now it's in the vlog, so y'all can understand the inside joke between us. So I was covering a news package earlier, and then I walk into my apartment, and my roommate Taylor had a girl over that I just recently matched with on Tinder yesterday. Surprise. Don't know if I'll talk to her though. We'll see. Right, bro.
Right, bro.
What did you think about that girl?
Oh, I was wondering how you guys met.
Yeah.
Everybody was acting awkward.
Yeah. Yeah, literally, we were both acting awkward, the girl and I, because I was like, wow, I just matched with her yesterday on Tinder. And then she's over at my apartment the very next day. So I'm about to send her a snap, so let's see if she responds. Bang, right there. Just sent it. Whoa, yeah, waiting on that response now. I'll update y'all with the next snap that she sends me. This week has been a long week, but tomorrow is Friday. I'm so excited. Right, bro?
Yeah, bro, let's do this.
Woo! But sadly, tomorrow I have a test, so wish me luck. Hopefully I do well. I did well on my test today. I got a B on it. Nick, what did he do, bro?
I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, you did, bro. Yeah. Nick is cooking something right now, and that's why the smoke detector went off, bro.
Oh wait, it's a myth.
No, why did he do that?
I forgot to turn on the fan, I guess.
Yeah, how dare you?